Every time you're upset or have something to say does not mean it's the right time and place to speak. Every time you have something important to say does not mean that it will happen in that very moment, because more than 50% of the success of your conversations will be determined by choosing the right time and place. It's never a good time to have a conversation when you are intoxicated. That basically means on your second drink or more, under the influence of any substance, exhausted, stressed, in a hurry, and where your emotions are not contained, where you're too angry or too upset, or when you're simply not in the mood. The worst place to have a conversation is in your car, in front of your children, in front of friends and family, in public, in your bed or in your bedroom, when your television is on or when you're busy on electronic devices. So you might ask, when is a good time to speak? The secret is to book a time and to create a safe space for speaking. You book a time in your very busy schedules. It's an uninterrupted, respected space where you are focusing on your relationship. You have to choose your time and place carefully, as it can make or break the conversation.